Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, November 6, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Wide state, V pattern, inverted H.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains, so we're going to manage this bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to continue to play this bar by bar. We're going to see if we can breach the low of the day, if not a little bit beyond that.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $2, and I want to see if this price crashes through the $499.50 area. If we don't get down to that area, we might just pull our profits at this point.
Order filled.
And there's roughly around a $3.40 drop, all within 10 minutes of time today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.